Hello, so today our project is about absolute value. What is absolute value? Absolute value is the number that is never negative and always positive.
Our aim in absolute value or in our project is to make learning a bit more fun and for the student to understand in a better way.
We have two projects today, which is the washing machine and the jail cell. What's the washing machine? What are the similarities between the washing machine and an absolute value? So we have dirty clothes, which is the negative number, and we have clean clothes, which is the positive number, and our washing machine is the absolute value. If we put dirty clothes in the washing machine, it will come out clean, and if we put clean clothes in the washing machine, it will still come out clean, and that's what absolute value does.
And for our second example is a jail cell. So when we put a negative person inside the prison, they will come out as positive. But when we put a positive person in the prison, they will come as positive. So the jail is the absolute value, and the guy is the negative number, and the girl is the positive number.
And this was our project. We hope that in future generations, this form of teaching will be used. Thank you.